Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well into your lives. Friends, my today's video is very beautiful and classy for you because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful design ideas of hand embroidery face masks. Yes friends, you have heard it right. I am sharing a beautiful and exquisite collection of handmade hand embroidered masks, hand embroidered, silk ribbon embroidery, thread embroidery, wool embroidery and much more related to the art of hand embroidery. So all you have to do is kindly watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing trendy and stylish ideas of easy embroidery patterns, beginners hand embroidery, floral hand embroidery, designer style hand embroidery, 3D hand embroidery and very decent and elegant touch of different shades of floral patterns with the perfect combination of elegant colors. So before going into the further depth or details of this video, I have a simple request to you that friends, if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel yet or you are watching my videos for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And not only this friends, you can use these very beautifully designed hand embroidery floral ideas that are specifically for face masks. You can use these patterns, the exact color combinations for a variety of other reasons, like you can make these very beautiful patterns onto your baby bonnets, onto your shirts, sweaters as a floral combination of hand knitted, handmade, hand embroidered stuff onto your baby girls dress designs as an all over embroidery patterns to design your dresses and much more according to your preferences and choices, like to decorate your home accessories, your fashionable accessories like mobile covers, handbags and stuff like this. So the reason to discuss the wide and broader perspective of these hand embroidery patterns usage is to give you a more usable ideas that how you can use one embroidery patterns for a number of ways in a variety of stuff and accessories. So as you know that friends, COVID-19 is a very dangerous virus and it has been again revolving, coming back with the heaviest wave. So all we have to do is to take care of ourselves. So to take care of ourselves, it is very important to wear mask while going out for any sort of basic necessity or work purposes. So all these are very easily made hand embroidery patterns, and all of these masks are reusable, washable, and now I am sharing a very complex and a very new design idea, that is face mask matching with your pouches into which you can keep your money, keys and some sort of important necessities while moving out. So a complete perfect matching package is also shown so that you could remain classy and stylish into your everyday or formal look while moving out. So friends, if you really like the video, then don't forget to like. If you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my videos for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay connected, stay concerned. Meet you soon back on my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.